Hi guys, today I'm gonna open up this phone. I'm gonna take off the LCD. This is a quick one, and they call Samsung, but AT&T they call Samsung Express brand. This phone is pretty nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open the back and remove the battery. I take off the back cover, battery and SIM card, and then I use the Phillips screwdriver to take off all the screw right here. After I take off all the screw, I'm gonna put this phone on the heating plate because this phone never opened up, so it's gonna be really long on the heating plate. You can use the heat gun to hit around the screen right there. Okay? But be careful, don't hit it too hard to the inside. I say because the screen is still good and the phone is brand new, I just try to show you how to open the phone. I'm gonna leave it on the heating plate at 80 degrees for 35 minutes. But if the phone already, the screen already broken, you may only need to 20 minutes, and then you can take it off, or you can use the heat gun to hit around the screen if it already damaged. You don't have to be careful like just what I'm doing now. I accidentally flip my hand and the phone dropped on the floor after I take it out of the heating machine, so the screen is broke. But I'm gonna still show you how to take it off. Okay, after you heating, use the razor to find the corner. Put in the corner, and then use a piece of hot plastic like this or the credit card to run it around to break the glue off of the frame. Okay. Be careful right here. Try to stick this one inside, but stick to the screen as much as possible so you can break the home flag sensor. Okay, after we break this glue, use this to tie it up. Don't insert it too deep inside, just go tie it like this. After we break through the glue, we push this from the back. Separate the screen and the wall of the frame. Now I'm gonna take all the flag off to insert the new screen in. This one. You see? Carefully lock this like this. You may not need to take it off. You may not need to take it off, just lift up with the whole ball. Let's see what the flag is. There's another flag right here. Any screw around here? No. And a lock right here by the earpiece. Okay, on the side. Now we separate the screen. We hit them again so we can take the broken screen off the frame and put a new one in. Now I hit them again to separate the screen off the frame. tip all around from the bottom to the top. Okay, after I put double tip all around and to strip it on the plate. So now take it off and you can put the screen back. Okay, after I snap the screen on the frame and the flat back together, I'm gonna put it back to the original back housing. Rest from this. Click sound and then you're gonna stick to the frame. Now I have put the screen back on the phone already. Thank you for watching. See you in the